Welcome to this channel, traders. I've been checking the strategies from my trading guide here. Most of them, if not all of them, are still very effective. Okay, the only thing that you need to understand is how to identify true breakouts. That is what we'll be looking at today. For those who still do not have that trading guide, you are missing out a lot. All you have to do is open a trading account right here using the link in the video description. You open that account, you find it, you get the trading guide free of charge. You get even the updates. Okay, those who are new on my channel, this is considered to be the best ECN broker. Okay, best ECN broker, best trading platforms, best spreads. Where are the trading platforms? MT45 and Act Trader. So just go there, register so that you claim your stuff. Let's come back to the video. For those who are using mobile and are new, these boxes are sessions of the market. This is Tokyo, London, New York, Sydney. Okay, and to put that indicator, let me start on mobile. You just have to download and install this TradingView app, and to do that, again, it's easy. Just go to the video description, find a link to my Telegram channel. When you get to my Telegram channel, go to the pinned messages and you will find this APK. Download it, install it, and open yourself a free account on TradingView. Once you have opened it, go to the plus sign at the bottom, go to indicators, and on indicators you have to search for sessions. Okay, select that one, sessions by Lux Algo, and then there you have your sessions indicator. Let's quickly come back. For the strategy on our example, you are going to be taking a trade at the beginning of every session. I'll be helping you on how to clearly see a real breakout. So let's start here. Clearly, this was the first candle, okay, that red one. And when marking the candle, you mark from the wick down to the wick. You extend to your right. And then you wait for a candle to close below that box that you have drawn. And then clearly, that was our first candle that closed below. Okay, but can we call that a breakout? No. For it to be a real breakout, you have to see another second candle being longer than the red one, the first candle that closed below. Then you can call it a breakout. Okay, so right here, the second candle wasn't longer than this one. Even though the wick was longer, we don't consider the wicks in this case. You want a full close to the bottom being longer than the first one. Okay, so you would ignore this. You keep on waiting until you have another breakout there. Okay, and then you wait for the next candle. Right there you have another candle which is longer than the previous one. So right there, it is where you take your buy trade. When you take your buy trade, you put your stop loss below this key level or below this lowest turning point, somewhere around there. So on the following session, okay, you mark the first candle together with the wicks. One thing that I can say, if you are observing a candlestick close, don't come exactly at the time when that session opens. For example, the London on my country GMT +2, it opens at 9 a.m. So I will come at somewhat at quarter past if I'm observing the 5 minutes time frame. If I'm observing the 15 minutes time frame, I might come at 9:30, so that I only come and see the third candle, the second or third candle. Okay, so right here for the second candle, I wouldn't take a buy trade because it is still equal to the first one that closed above. You only take a buy trade right there. Okay, that's where you take the buy trade. Let's come here. Right here, it was a bad trade. You have everything falling in place for a buy trade, but then price reversed. Okay, you can see candles following each other going bullish. Okay, such things happen. So now we have the Sydney session. Okay, on the Sydney session, of course, if you are following my trading guide, you don't have to trade on every session. Every pair has its own specific session to be traded on. Okay, so right here you had the first candle clearly closing above. The following ones were shorter than that one, so it wasn't a trade. It wasn't a trade. It wasn't a trade. Okay, until the beginning of Tokyo. You have the beginning of Tokyo right there. Okay, right there. You didn't have a buy trade. See, those candles are equal. Again, those candles are equal, but right here was the first candle closing below. Okay, you see that one, and then the next one that was longer than that would be that red one. So you would have sold somewhere there. Okay, and then you put your stop loss up there. Okay, that was a true breakout. Okay, let's come here, beginning of London. Okay, right here you have, let me zoom in. Okay, the first candle wasn't a real breakout. It's only a wick that closed above. You need a true convincing candle that it has clearly closed above, like that one. See that red, that middle bullish candle clearly closed above, and then you would wait for another one to be longer than that one, but the following one was equal to that one, so you wait. Okay, you wait until you have another clear breakout at the bottom. The following one is an indecision, you don't consider that, but the next one is longer than the previous one, so you would have sold when that next one closed and then price moved in your direction. So that's all that is about identifying true breakouts in the forex market. It will help you a lot. Most strategies require that you understand how to identify true breakouts, whether it's trend lines or any other strategy. This is the same information. Okay, the same information. Let's say you are doing trend lines. Let me just do this. Okay, and close these sessions. If you are doing trend lines, for you to know that price has clearly closed below there, okay, that's the first candle to close below. You need the second one to be longer than that, and then you can take a sell trade. Okay, so that is it about identifying true breakouts.